Hey folks, Mike here, Mike Duncan. Thanks for tuning into this video. And today is my latest Lead Lightning Review 2019 and affiliate marketing made easy with Lead Lightning. Okay, so we're going to talk about Lead Lightning today, basically, and why you should be using this and why if you're just getting started, well, this is absolutely perfect for you. If you're a newbie, or if you're in a business at the moment that's a bit shit, and excuse my French, but if you are a bit in a business that's a bit pony and you're not making any money, then why Lead Lightning can be a fresh start for you. Okay, so what is Lead Lightning? I like to call it my $7 thing that is affordable to, I would say, almost anybody, and it's a one-time cost of $7. Now I need to get that out there. I need to be absolutely upfront because if there's a bunch of people watching this that just are looking for freebie stuff, then you're wasting your time, because this is not free. It's going to cost you $7 if you can see the potential in this. Okay, now it can eventually and potentially turn, lead to or open doors. It could be a gateway to something much better, such as a $500 day or even $1,000 days. So okay, so what is it? It's basically a $7 business in a box. You pay $7 one time. There's no repeat fees. There's no not prescriptions. What's the word? No subscriptions. Okay. There's no membership fees or anything like that. It's a one-time $7, and for that you get a complete professionally built sales funnel with a professionally written email autoresponder campaign that goes out on autopilot on your behalf with your links all coded to you. Okay, so if anybody buys after, all you have to do is advertise the business. Okay, you can choose how you do that, or you can follow our training and we'll show you exactly how to do it. Okay, we have trainings twice weekly, live trainings. We have an overview video and we have a full-on training video for different aspects of Lead Lightning and the Power Lead system. Lead Lightning is part of the Power Lead system. You could say it is the doorway or the gateway to the Power Lead system. Okay, so if you don't know what the Power Lead system is, don't worry about it, because I'm just today it's all Lead Lightning. It's all about this $7 thing. And what do you get from it? As I've told you, you get a full sales funnel, and every time somebody comes through your sales funnel and buys Lead Lightning for $7, we're going to pay you $6. Okay, and you can do that. That can happen as many times a day as you want it to happen, as you want to make it happen. Okay, you can't just wish these things. You've got to do a little bit of work in the background. And we'll, as I say, we'll show you how to do that. Okay, most of the training is focused towards the Power Lead system, but it is lead generation training. Okay, there's some system training, but mostly it is lead generation training. I personally have got videos which will help you get started with the lead generation training. So subscribe to my YouTube channel. There will be links below here. Subscribe to my or follow me on Facebook. I've got a Facebook business page. You can follow me on there. All my videos are uploaded to there as well. Add me as a friend. Send me a message. My phone number will be there. You can give me a call. I don't mind people phoning me up or texting me, doing whatever you need to do to get hold of me. Just reach out if you've got any questions. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through the sales funnel. What will happen is, once you've paid your $7 and you've registered, okay, we're going to send you an email with your login details. So first of all, I'm just going to log out of here. So you're going to get an email from either Power Lead, Lead Lightning, or it will be from the Priceless Possibilities, who are our who own Lead Lightning now. It's been around for about 5 or 6 years, so it's not going anywhere. It's not a new thing. If you didn't know about it before, I'm surprised, because it's been around, and there's a lot of people using this to generate, life-changing incomes online. And this is where people start. Okay, so as I say, it's ideal for you if you're in a business that's a bit shit, but it's also perfect if you've got another business and you want to generate leads and sales for that business and make a little bit of side cash in the form of your $6 commissions. Okay, so you're going to get an email. In that email, there will be a link called mycompanyadmin.com. Okay, that will take you to the login page. Also in that email, there will be a 6-digit number. That is your user ID or affiliate ID. Okay, it's one or two. It can be called 2 or 3 different other things, but usually it's your user ID or your affiliate ID. There will also be a password. All you need to do is click on the link and put your username and password in the boxes there where it asks you to put them, and then just log in. Okay, simple, straightforward, and then just give it a few moments and we'll be in our back office. There we go. Supercharge my system. Woohoo! I won't worry about that just yet. That's if you decide that you want to upgrade and go through the doorway, the gateway to the mega money. Okay, but today we're just talking about this $7 thing that's going to make you $6 commissions over and over. Okay, did I say subscribe to my YouTube channel? Make sure you do. Okay, because we're going to have some fun. Right, when you log in here, don't worry about these tabs for now, okay, because there's a video inside that explains what those tabs are, and I'll show you where it is. So all you have to do is click the How Do I Get Started button. That will open your back office getting started page, and it says here, getting started in 3 simple steps. Well, there's actually 4. Okay, they lied. No, they didn't. Okay, I'm only kidding. There's actually 4. You've got a video. Well, I think so. Anyway, there's 4 steps. There's a video, and then there's 3 steps below it. That's 4, isn't it? In my mind, in my eye, that's 4 steps. Tell me if I'm wrong. Anyway, there's 4 steps to get started. Watch this video. It's about 5 minutes long. It's going to basically tell you what I'm telling you now, okay? But watch it anyhow. Then you need to come here and join our Facebook group. We have a private Facebook group, which is just for paid members. It's not for members of the public to come in and have a look around and post their spammy links or anything like that. Or to ask questions or to find out about Lead Lightning or the Power Lead system. It's just for paid members to get help and support and get their questions asked. It's currently around about 45,000 members strong, and a whole lot of them will help you if you get stuck or have any questions that you don't understand. Okay, but Lead Lightning is really, really simple. It's done for you. You get your link and then you advertise it. That's all you do. So join the group, choose which link you're going to advertise, and then advertise your link. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's going to be 4 steps in anyone's book, hasn't it? Anyway, scroll down a little bit further. You'll see you've got 2 links to choose from for the Lead Lightning funnel. The funnel itself is exactly the same. The lead capture page is the same, and the sales page is the same. The difference is, if you have not got a current business, or the business that you're in is a bit pony and you're fed up to your back teeth of being left high and dry, and you don't know what to do, then get yourself a fresh start. Join Lead Lightning, okay? And that's where link A will be. I will put a link down to my other business down below, to my other business. Now, this is another business that's been around for 6-7 years, okay? So they're rock solid. They've got a proven track record. They're not one of these just started up, going to make millions of dollars. They've been around, they've been proven, they pay every single week. Okay, so there will be a link down below for my other business. I'm not going to go into details what it is, but you can have a click through and have a look at it. Okay, absolutely fine. Just go through and have a look at what else I do. If you like it, you can join up, and then you can use that link in here for your. This isn't it, by the way. It's not Instant Payday Network. That's no longer around. This back office here is a back office I use just for training and doing videos. So you can use that affiliate link then and use that up here, in here, and then you can start using link B. Now, with link A, if somebody comes through your sales funnel and they don't buy straight away, they're going to start getting a ready done email campaign sent out on autopilot. There's about 7 or 8 emails, I think, 8 or 9 emails, I'm not sure, that go out on autopilot, and they're just going to keep reminding people that they've asked for some information and sending them back to the sales page. Just keep sending them back to the sales page until they decide to buy. Link B, the same thing, exactly the same things, but other than you can put your affiliate link or personal link of your other business there, and then what will happen there, the email campaign that goes out will be about, I think again, it's about 17 emails long. I think it's 17, I got that right. It's about 17 emails long. And what that will do is that will alternately promote lead lightning, so it will send them to the lead lightning sales page, okay, and every other email will have a link in there telling them to go and have a look at your other business, and it's going to send them to your other business's sales page. So you're going to be able to build leads and sales in your other business, as well as making a nice little bit of side cash out of the $6 commissions. Okay, so that's what the 2 funnels are for. I'm going to show you the funnel, what the funnel looks like now. Anybody clicks on your link, this is the lead capture page that they're going to go to. Okay, it's the easiest online system, creates leads and daily cash. Absolutely newbie proof, training included, no experience required, enter email below. That's all we're asking people to do, is put their email below to find out more about what you're offering. They're then going to come through to the sales page. Again, everything here is sort of just banging home the message that this is just a $7 one-time system that gives you everything you need to get started or to help you build sales and leads for any other business. Okay, none of this is customizable. It's all done for you in a box. You just click the link and off you go. Okay, so what they're going to do, they're going to watch a video here which is nearly 8 minutes long, and then they're going to read the sales the sales copy on the sales page. They can click there and go to the bottom of the page where they get a buy now button. There's some testimonials here. There's reasons why you should be using lead lightning. It's just so easy to use, completely set up and ready to go. Start generating leads and commissions immediately. Okay, now that's not BS, by the way. However, for you to be honest, for you to start generating leads and sales immediately, you probably need a marketing budget. Okay, so you probably need to be doing paid marketing like solo ads and things like that. Okay, so it's going to build you a buyer list, right? So instead of giving something away, where most of the people that look at that haven't got a clue what they're clicking through for, because all they've seen is the big free sign. Okay, and once they get there, they haven't got a clue what to do. Okay, these people are actually going to be buyers because they know that whatever they're clicking through to have a look at is going to cost them $7. Okay, there's no monthly fees. You pay one time and that's it. And as I keep saying, it's going to boost sales and enrollments to any business. Now, as a sales page is all about getting the message home that this is what that you need this. So it's just going to keep repeating itself over and over and over. Okay, ready to go sales funnels, beginner friendly, absolutely newbie and beginner friendly. Done for you autoresponder campaigns, business in a box, traffic training, contact management system, additional marketing help, commission tracking, instant $6 commissions that go straight to your e-wallet. As soon as you earn a commission and it's ready to be paid, you will be asked to set up your e-wallet, and you can choose then, you can choose to have your money paid directly to your bank, or you can use your first commission. I think it's about $4 or $5, and you can buy a prepaid Visa card. And then after that, any commission paid to you will go straight onto your Visa card. You can use that at the gas station. You can use it online. You can use it to pay for vacations, whatever you want to use it for. Okay, and as I said, this is a gateway to the Power Lead system where you can unlock huge daily commissions and unlimited residual income. Okay, but the $7 system is going to make you $6 over and over and over. Okay, I can't reiterate that anymore. Some more referrals, not referrals, things where people say nice stuff about us. Okay. Yeah, some really cool stuff here, and then you get down to the bottom where you've got your buy now button, and that basically is it in a button. In a button, that is about it in a box. Okay, so I'm just wanting to show you one more thing. Okay, so I'm going to come up here. I'm going to go back to my getting started page. Yes, I wanted to scroll down here and show you. Supercharge My System is where you can go and have a look at some videos about how to upgrade. But what I would say to you is come in at the $7 level, use it for a week or two, have a look around, come on some of the trainings, watch some more videos, get an idea of what it's like, get to know the community in the Facebook group, and then you can start using your $6 commissions to pay for the upgrades. Okay, there are several. There's about 4 in total. There's the one to become an affiliate, then there's 3 product purchases, but you don't have to make them all at one time. Okay, but anyway, I said I'll show you this all the way down to the bottom of your getting started page. You'll have a button that says take a tour of your system. That is where you're going to find out what all them tabs were at the top of the page that I told you not to worry about at the time. You've also got a button here about how do I market my link. That's just going to give you a few tips and ideas of how to get going advertising your business. I have got some videos in my YouTube channel and on my Facebook page, so subscribe to my channel. Click the little bell next to the subscribe button so you get notifications when I upload any new training videos. Okay, you don't want to miss them. Okay, so but yeah, that's about it. I think I'm going to wrap up here because I don't want to go. I don't want to transgress into the Power Lead system. I just wanted to get the message over at how strong or how powerful this simple $7 one-time business in a box can be. So just click through, watch the sales video, and let's get working. Reach out to me. You'll have my email, you'll have my phone number. You can add me on Facebook. You can ask me questions on YouTube. Did I say subscribe to my YouTube channel? Well, I can't say that enough. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, and yeah, I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.